In this video, you will learn how to use the MevisLab Test Center to write automated tests in Python. Add the modules to your workspace and connect them as seen in the video. Save your network as network-testcase.mlab. Open MevisLab Test Case Manager via menu, File, Run Test Case Manager. On Test Creation tab, enter the details of your test case. Make sure to have a package available. Packages are explained in another video. Select the just saved network network-testcase.mlab. Click Create. The MevisLab text editor made opens automatically showing the Python file of your test. The file path defines the DICOM files to load by using the DICOM import module. When calling the function test DICOM import, an expected value of 1.0 is defined. Then, the DICOM files are opened. The Open Files function defines the field input mode to be a directory. Then, the source field is set to your previously defined file path. After clicking Trigger Import, the DICOM import module needs some time to load all images in the directory and process the DICOM tree. We have to wait until the field ready is true. In the end, we check if current and expected value of the progress are equal. After finishing the code, open the Test Case Manager, reload and run your test. After the execution finished, the report viewer opens automatically showing the results of your test. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.